So, if you've been following the production of this game, which I would not believe it if you were, I made a slight mistake. I was working on it. I was recording, working on the game, when I grabbed this paperweight I had by my desk and started, I don't know, tossing it in between my hands, and I accidentally flung it at my computer, and it hit the reset button, and I lost my recording. So, yeah, it happened. What we did before then was we made this. So, we got AM, DM, and HM set up, and we have a while loop here and a for loop in that while loop. So, while true, for I in range PM, remember PM is our moves, we ask, what would you like to do? Would you like to attack, defend, or heal? And it assigns those to these variables, and then prints out the amount of attacks, the amount of the defenses, and the amount of healings. So I was thinking one thing, but I actually think I'm gonna say for however many defenses you do, you increase your defense value. So our defense value is 2 right now, but let's say we go to not subprograms. Let's go to, oh come on, my mouse is not gonna work right now, is it? Hold on, I'm gonna actually no, no, I'm just gonna deal with it. Oh, that sucks. Data. Let's go to, let's delete this. I don't need that file. I made that last, while I was recording the other one, but I don't think I'm gonna use it. So our player defense is 2. Let's go over here, remove that. Don't worry about what I'm deleting. You don't need to do anything if you are following it, which I would not recommend. But if you are, just don't delete anything. Anyway, yeah, so attacks, defenses, and healings, and we are gonna get some sweet separators in between the two. Not that, please. We're gonna get some sweet separators in between these. Not right there, right there. And then we're gonna print damage, right here. Print, defense. And print health per enemy killed. Alright, and then another sweet separator, and then input start, and then we'll just do os.system cls. Alright, and now we have to figure out how much damage is done. So, let's do, for I in range AM, PPDMG is plus equals PDMG. And then let's say PPDMG is equal to 0, PPDF is equal to 0, and PPH is equal to 0. And yeah, and then we'll do, just copy paste this over here, copy paste that over here. For I in range DM and for I in range HM, PPDF is equal to plus equals PPDF, and then PH and PPH. Alright, plus equals not that. I want that to actually be power, so just PP. And then dot format PDMG dot format PPDF. Alright, yeah, 2 P's. And then dot format PPH, and Yes. So now, if I run the game, I can actually do it from right here. If I just run this right here, continue your journey, yes. Universe, cube, no. Universe size small. Race, Dunexi. Player damage is 10. Player defense is 2. Player health is 100. Player moves is 5. Player power is 15. Combat, I would like to attack, defend, attack, attack, heal. Unsupported operand type. Alright, so I just need to change some things over to integers. Okay, that's easy. Let's just go right here and say int betting int just in case if you guys haven't read the description of my other videos, this is not meant to be a tutorial, as you can probably guess. Alright, so damage is 20, defense is 4, and health per enemy killed is 15. Alright, and we also want to say, if ppdmg is equal to 0, ppdmg plus equals pdf. LF, or actually no, just if ppdf is equal to 0, ppdf is plus equals, or yeah, it doesn't really matter, plus equals pdf, and I actually want that to change to damage. And if pph is equal to 0, ph plus equals ph. And so now, if I run it, let me actually restart. CMD Temere, yes, and restart combat. If I just spam attack over and over again, line 95, yeah, int again. Alright, int. There we go, and then we go down here, int, and then we go right here, int, sweet. Now we go back here, Temere, continue your journey, attack, 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 attack. See, now we have 5 attacks, 0 defenses, 0 healings, but we have 50 damage, 2 defense, and oh, that's not good. Wrong variable. PP. It should work now. Yeah, yada 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 yada. Alright, so now these are our stats that we're going to actually fight with. And health per enemy kill. Alright, yeah. So and then we should just be able to press start, and then we'll go through the attacks thing again. Alright, I'll do that in the next episode, because I kind of wanted to do some stuff with my real life, so, I'm just gonna end this video here, but, you know, thanks for watching if you did, and, sorry for the confusion at the beginning. I was being an idiot and just dropped a counterweight, yeah, right on my reset button, like an idiot, but, you know, whatever. So my computer's fine. I hope. I hope nothing's broken. But you know, what can you do? So, have a good day. I'll be uploading maybe tomorrow. Maybe, I think. All right. See ya.